We ride the rails of ruin under neon skies, where halos burn in bourbon and the truth wears a disguise. Dead men walk and talk in tongues of twisted fate, but baby, in this district, hell's just fashionably late. Welcome to the Gaslight District, where the liars light the streets. The dead don't rest, they swing in jest to infernal jazzy beats. We ain't saints, we ain't slick, just slime-soaked, undead and slick. One step from grace, two from the crypt, in the Gaslight District. Crooked deals in candlelight, morality's a mask. We toast to God with broken glass and laugh behind a flask. The city soul's a tangled wire, but every ghost still feels desire. So pour the venom, strike the match, let sinners sing and angels scratch. Welcome to the Gaslight District, where your past will never fade. You can shoot your shot, but trust me, doll, it's just death in retrograde. We ain't clean, we ain't slick, we're cursed with charm and parlor tricks. Truth's just smoke and love's a myth in the Gaslight District. Oh, we don't sleep, we don't die, just keep grinning through the grind. Clock can spin, but time stands still. Immortal crimes, eternal thrill. You think death's an escape? Nah, sweetheart, here it's just foreplay. So grab your trench coat and your sins, we're going dancing through damnation. Welcome to the Gaslight District, where the living envy the damned. We toast to doom with crooked grins and take fate by the hand. No redemption, no last trick, just tales too good to quit. Light the lanterns, play that lick, we're alive in the Gaslight District. Get away.
Dirty, bloody, pulpy, purple